So it's morning, and I am done chasing Trunk, okay? I'm done actually chasing her around the yard all day. But I just want to prove that she still exists. There she is. Trunk is here. Trunk is just doing her own bunny thing, hanging out, doing bunny stuff. And I'm literally done chasing her. But that's just evidence that she's still here. She's still here, she still exists, she's still fantastic. She's just not going over there to the pen. She's just staying over here like a weirdo, hanging out around around the farm. She goes there, she goes into the barnyard, she does all her bunny things. But I'm done chasing her. So you're going to see her here and there on video. There she goes. But what you're not going to see is, where is she? There's a duck over there. But what you're not going to see is me chasing her anymore. I'm kind of done with the chasing part. She's going down with the ducks on the other side of over here. She's going down with the ducks on the other side of that pen. That's where she is right now. You can see her ears. But yeah, I'm done actually chasing her. There she goes. So I'm done chasing her. I'm going to let her do her rabbit thing unless and until someone can actually just pick her up. Blue's over there. Shadowfax is over there. Arwen is over there too. I'm basically done. So you're not going to see me chase her. You will see her on video here and there just because she's now a part of the barnyard. If someone can pick her up and catch her, good for us. Otherwise, we're just going to let her do what she does. Well, it is time to go see if there's any eggs. It's probably a little early for eggs, but maybe we'll get one or two. We do have to keep a lookout for duck eggs because I'm finding them all over the ground. It's ridiculous. It is going to be warmer today than it has been, so it's going to land above zero. It's not above zero yet, but it's going to, above zero, I mean above freezing if you're American. It's going to land above the freezing point today at some point. However, it is going to plunge to 20 below tomorrow. Get this gate. It's going to plunge to 20 below tomorrow. So, Here, bud, you want a cracker? A cracker? Yeah, cracker time. Cracker pony. Cracker. Good boy. He's just having some little cookies and crackers, which is fantastic for him. I don't have pockets. I just realized this sweater doesn't have pockets. So I kind of hope we don't find eggs. Hi. Are you up there to lay an egg, sweetheart? Yeah? Well, I'm going to leave you be because I don't see one. And do I see an egg under there? Maybe. Let's find out. So I'm just going to grab the broom. I think I see an egg. Come on. Yeah, it's there. It's there. Come on, egg. Are you broken? Hope not. Oh, I almost clocked my head on that shelf. Sorry, chicken. That's Houdini. There's a little bit of poop on it, which is not abnormal with eggs. But it seems like it's intact. Yeah, so it seems like it's intact. I have another cookie for Arwen. All right, so we got an egg. We're getting there. We are getting there. They're starting to lay a little more as the days get longer. So that's what we're looking for. Are there any eggs in those coops? I got one here. All right, just looking to see if there's eggs. Shut the gate. We have enough problems with escaping animals that that gate didn't want to shut. What? You want a cookie? Want a cookie? Yeah? Cookie time? Cookie? Cookie for goats? Cookies for goats. Snacks for bunnies. Everyone is looking good. So we're thinking the other rabbits are not having babies, which is fine. We're going to breed another round early in a couple weeks. But, I mean, wait and see. What on earth are they taking out of that coop? What are you two even doing? Mira and Jabba are sneaking stuff out of that coop. I don't know what it is, but they're doing bad things. And there goes the turkey to join them. They're doing bad things. Everyone's doing bad things. Anyway, so today I do want to get planting those peppers done. My mom is coming to visit, and because my mom is coming to visit, I'm not going to have a lot of time to do other things. So we are making pizza though, and the turkey's following Tristan. Where's my snacks? Blue is the funniest bird on the planet. We really love Blue. We're hoping to get a few more Blues this year. Anyway, we are going inside now because I need to get those things planted. I have to shred some chicken, but first I got to cook the chicken for pizza. I got a couple things to do. And my mom's coming over, so it'll be fun. She's coming to spend the night on pizza night on purpose because pizza night is awesome. So I'm going to go take this egg inside and then get ready to actually start my day. Well, it is quite melty, which makes this snow under my feet really sticky and slippery at the same time. So you got to watch where you put your feet. It's not that much fun. You're never really sure if you're going to fall through, get a foot full of water. You don't really know. So you got to watch where you're putting your feet. It's entertaining at the very least. And Trunk is now behind that lawnmower there in the corner. Whatever. I don't care. I'm not chasing her. I'm done with that. It's, yeah, quite mucky. Like, if you look under the picnic table, it's really mucky under there, which is fantastic. Trunk is there between the lawnmower and the barn, just past that pin. She's hanging out there. So I'm just taking a look, see if I can find any eggs. There's a weird goat scratching her chin. The thing I hate about this is the amount of muck. Oh, fun. It's mucky, guys. Hi, Shadowfax. So you gotta watch. You have to really... Hi, buddy. Leaning on you. He is very muddy. Oh, you gotta watch your step. This is so mucky. I really need it to dry up. We're gonna have to put some more sand down. That's why I like sand. It absorbs moisture. I think Tristan already grabbed the eggs in here. So I'm just looking around. Yes, chicken, chicken, chicken. I hear you. Just looking around. Oh, there is an egg. There is a duck egg. Hang on a second. There, just a second. Have a little trouble with this gate. There we go. We have a little trouble with this gate. It needs to be fixed. But there is a duck egg. Oh, it's not even that bad. I mean, it's a little mucky. What duck egg isn't? Let's be honest. You ever made a duck egg that wasn't mucky unless it was like fresh out of the duck's butt and you managed to grab it? I'm just going to put it over there for a minute while I wrangle this gate closed. This gate is annoying. We have to fix it. I'm just going to pop this up here because I'm going to need both hands. And yes, we use a bungee cord. There we go. There we go. This one here. This one there. Good enough. Good enough. Duck egg. So that's good because that means I actually have quite a few. Got some goo on it. I'm just going to wipe it off. I don't like when they're actually gooey. Okay. Very careful walking. Hi, Shadowfax. I don't have a pocket. Ooh, you gotta watch it. Hi, bud. Yeah, you're a good boy. I don't have a pocket, so we're gonna have to live with it right now. Oh, I don't like the muck. What? I know. Such a good horsey. I love you. It's a party. We're having a party. We're not going to worry about it. It's just a little party. Look out, guys. Make sure the gate's shut behind me. I think we've all seen the results of gates not getting shut properly. So, you never know. I'm just going to pop my eyeballs here in this. By the way, she's still where that black thing between the barn and that lawnmower that's moving around back there, that's Trunk. I'm not even worrying about it because it's not worth it. So we're just gonna take a peek. I don't see any eggs and I don't, hi sweeties, and I don't expect to. And I don't know if Tristan got these eggs. Yes, he did. I knew they were in there because I didn't pick them up earlier. Hi, Blue. Whoa. I don't like walking on this goober stuff. I do not like it. Yeah, I do not like it. It's okay. We're just going to keep being very careful here. It's going to get so cold tomorrow, so this is going to be a sheet of ice. And it's going to suck. Not much we can do about it. But my mom is here. Oh, watch your step. Yeah, here we go. That was dicey. This is a little stable, more stable. But my mom is here, so we are going inside to start making pizza. I did not get around to planting again. Hopefully I'll do it tomorrow. I know I keep saying I'll plant my peppers, but I didn't. It's kind of like the candle making. It took 3 days to get around to it. Whoa. This is all ice. It sucks. So, we're going to go back inside. Get an egg. We're going to go back inside, make some pizza, and hang out with my mom. And then that'll be pretty much it for the day, I think. Yeah, I don't think I need to do anything beyond that. Well, it's time to make pizza. I know it's a much shorter video. I didn't get much done today. But my mom is currently here. We are watching some shows in the living room. So if you hear sounds in the background, that's somebody else's pizza being done. So if you hear sounds in the background, it's because of the TV. Because we're, you know, watching some stuff, hanging out, having a good old time. But it's my turn to make my pizza. Because I get dibs on the pizza cooker now. Rowan's getting his pizza beside me here. And my pizza, I'm doing a bit of a thicker crust this week. And I've already decided I am going to do a chicken on my pizza. A shredded chicken that I have in a white bowl right there. It'll be delicious. And I don't know where Rowan's going with the plate, but there he goes. Did I put stuff on your cutting board?
Yes.
Sorry. I put a bunch of stuff over on the counter because it was in my way. Apparently I landed it right on his cutting board. So, good for me. Good for me. But don't put this there. I'm going to turn that on and it's going to roast.
Well, don't put your stuff on the cutting board.
Don't put your stuff near my pizza cooker. We're having an argument about where stuff goes. Which is always hilarious around here because stuff doesn't go near my pizza cooker. Haha. You got your stuck. Which actually makes me think Maybe I should lift mine up and spray the underside. Maybe I should lift mine up and spray the underside. Because I don't want to be as ridiculous as you guys.
It's only a centimeter.
Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. Maybe we'll just spray that. Haha. So then I won't have the same problems you guys have. These are non-stick pans, but the non-stickiness of everything eventually wears down, so it doesn't hurt to give it a spray. There we go. I'm having a bit of a thicker crust today because I just want to. You know the beauty of making your own pizzas? You can make them as thin or thick as you want. That looks about good. Some of our homemade sauce. Who doesn't love homemade sauce? I'd rather have homemade sauce than store-bought sauce any day. It is so delicious. We make it in big batches and we stick it in the freezer and it's just perfect. We absolutely love it. There we go. Now we're going to do some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to use the rest of this mozza, and then I have some cheddar. And I don't want a ton of cheese. The thing is with a pizza is there's almost a limit to how many toppings, how much toppings you can have. Like, you can have as many different toppings as you like, but it's almost like there's a weight limit, right? And then once you exceed that weight limit, your pizza doesn't really cook. Have you ever noticed that? The middle of your pizza stays gummy? That's probably because your pizza wasn't totally, it was just too many toppings. If you have too many toppings and too much weight on the pizza, it doesn't really properly cook in the middle. It'll still stay gummy. And that's no fun. We don't want gummy. We don't want our pizza gummy. We want our pizza delicious. Now I've got this shredded chicken that I did. And we've been eating this up. Oh, there's not very much left. That's what happens when you are on the later end of making your pizzas. Everyone else has already made theirs. I usually go last just because I'm usually doing other things, and I was today. Today I was visiting with my mom a lot, so there we go. And now move this, I don't need it. And I wanted oregano as my herb. There we go. I like quite a lot of oregano. I like that I can put whatever herbs I want on it. And I'm going to look for the Parmesan. Yes, we're just using the jarred Parmesan because I don't have the other kind right now. I do have, I make a lot of cheese, and I do have Parmesan cheese aging downstairs, but it's not aged long enough. So therefore, I'm using this. There we go. I'm going to pop that on the pizza cooker, and I will do a time lapse of it cooking on the pizza cooker because I always like the way it looks as the pizzas cook on the pizza cooker. So enjoy that. And there it is. Finally, the end of the day. Beautiful shredded chicken pizza. Fantastic, delicious. I've been looking forward to this all day. Like I said, we always do pizza on Thursdays because pizza, homemade pizza specifically, not store-bought, not takeout. Homemade pizza is our absolute favorite thing here on the farm. I did make my crust a little thicker than normal, and that's fantastic for me. I have these butter sticks. These are made by a local company that makes their own butter. And the best thing about them is this is which one is this? Garlic confit. And I'm just going to take my butter stick, rub it on the edges to give me a nice, delicious, garlicky, buttery crust. This is a local company that I like to support. Even though I mostly make my own butter, yes, I do like to support local. So this is a company that makes these here in my province. And I love supporting local companies. So, never hurts to do that. Put that back in the freezer. These live in the freezer. They last a long time. Anyway, that is about it for us here today. I'm going to eat my pizza, sit down with my mom, watch a movie. That's why the video is so much shorter today. Simply because, other than doing the basics, I didn't even plant my seeds. I spent most of the day hanging out with my mom. Why wouldn't I? Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.